Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. It features a bold red exterior matched with a red interior, both of which remain in good condition with only typical signs of age. Powered by the original 454 V8 engine, this truck runs strong and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a fully functional original 4x4 system. The truck starts right up without hesitation and is ready to go at any time. The interior is in solid shape, with no rips or major damage, and only shows normal wear from use over the years.
It rides on 4 nearly new Firestone tires, ensuring dependable traction and performance.
The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and the registration tags are valid through January 2026. While the body and paint are nearly flawless, there is a small dent located at the end of the passenger side fender. Additionally, the serpentine belt may need replacement soon, as it occasionally makes a noise that eventually fades.
Number 2.
1986 Ford F150, price $7,500, finished in a sleek charcoal exterior with a gray interior. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine with just 52,000 miles showing on the dash. It features fuel injection and an automatic transmission, making it a smooth and dependable driver. The truck sits on brand new wheels and tires, complemented by new shocks and a leveling kit installed at the same time. An alignment was also recently performed to ensure a straight and stable ride. The cabin has been updated with new carpet and a newer windshield, while a small rip on the driver's seat is the only minor flaw in an otherwise tidy interior. Additional recent upgrades include a newer battery, power steering pump, and radiator, enhancing both performance and reliability. Tinted windows add a subtle modern touch, and everything on the truck works exactly as it should.
Number 3.
1978 GMC 2500, price $6,500, clean and strong running classic truck that has traveled just 85,000 miles.
It features a powerful big block gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering solid and reliable performance.
The exterior and interior are both finished in sleek black, giving the truck a bold and timeless look. Recently, it has received several mechanical upgrades including brand new brakes on both the front and rear, a new radiator, a new power steering pump, and a new turn signal cluster. The truck was just smogged and passed cleanly, with current registration valid until September. Although the air conditioning system is complete, it is currently not connected.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck still wears its original black paint from 1977, giving it an authentic vintage appearance. The previous owner upgraded the vehicle with a 350 V8 engine, which also has about 65,000 miles of use.
Paired with it is a 700R4 automatic transmission that was installed around 4 years ago.
Recently, the truck received a fresh oil change along with a new oil pan gasket and spark plugs. It passed a smog test in May, indicating the engine is running cleanly. Although the truck runs and drives well, it does need a replacement instrument cluster.
Inside, the original interior adds to its nostalgic charm. Number 5.
1990 Ford F150, price $3,000, powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck runs and drives but could use a bit of work to bring it up to full potential. It's equipped with 2 fuel tanks, both appearing to be in new condition, though currently, only one is connected. The air conditioning system does blow air, but it's not cold, which may simply require a recharge. Previously repainted, the truck would benefit from a fresh paint job if intended for show purposes, but as it stands, it would make an excellent farm or work truck. It also features rear air shocks, making it more capable when hauling or pulling a trailer. The vehicle comes with spare keys and a clean blue Texas title, offering a solid base for restoration or dependable utility use.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. The exterior is finished in blue, paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, the original V6 engine remains in place and runs great, making it more than ready for highway use. The wheels are also original to the truck and have only been removed for tire replacement. The tires still have good tread, contributing to its strong road performance. Inside, the truck is equipped with power windows and power locks, and all features are fully functional. The heat and air conditioning both work properly, with the AC blowing ice cold. The radio plays clearly, and all interior and exterior lights operate as they should.
While the interior shows some normal signs of age-related wear, it remains clean and presentable for a vehicle of its era. Number 7.
1979 Ford F150, price $4,995. It features a two-door long bed configuration, making it not only visually striking but also practical for hauling and work purposes. The truck is finished in a timeless white exterior paired with a clean gray interior, maintaining its original charm. Under the hood, it runs on gasoline and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging and authentic driving experience that's increasingly hard to find in today's market. This F-150 comes with a clean title in hand and is reported to drive well, making it a great option for classic truck enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone looking to own a piece of Ford history.
Number 8.
1971 Ford F250, price $7,000, powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It delivers reliable performance and strong torque, making it ideal for both cruising and hauling.
Recently, both the transmission and rear end were fully serviced, including the replacement of all seals and bearings, ensuring there are no leaks. The engine has also received a complete tune-up.
Additionally, the entire braking system has been refreshed with new rotors, calipers, pads, bearings, and hoses, providing peace of mind for safe stopping power. Finished in an off-white exterior with a green interior, the truck shows its age but remains presentable. Inside, the cabin is in okay shape for its age, maintaining its vintage charm.
Number 9.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000. It's powered by a dependable small block Chevy engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, which includes a granny low first gear ideal for low-speed torque and control. The truck was originally a long bed, but has been professionally converted to a short bed, giving it a more aggressive stance and a cleaner, more sought-after look. It features a 12-bolt positraction rear end, which provides better traction and durability, making it well-suited for both cruising and light performance use. The C10 starts up easily, runs strong, and shifts smoothly, making it a reliable driver even in its current condition.
While it runs and drives as it should, it would benefit from some cosmetic attention and finishing touches to truly shine. Number 10.
1967 Ford F150, price $5,000, features a yellow exterior and a gray interior, powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. The truck has been sitting for over 10 years, but it starts, runs, and drives. However, it will need to be trailered due to its long period of inactivity. It has been placed on non-operational status with the DMV, so there are no back fees owed. While the body shows its age with some bumps and bruises, it remains a solid and unmolested example, making it a great candidate for restoration. Alternatively, with a good service, a fresh set of tires, and a few basic repairs, it could be back on the road as a vintage daily cruiser.